Legendary Marketers 15-second free leads review. So if you guys are like me, you've probably been searching online about how to make money on TikTok. This is something that's becoming very popular. So if you go here, a lot of these like crappy guru videos pop up of people not really teaching you much. So obviously if you're watching this video, you've heard about Legendary's 15-second free leads. It's about TikTok, because here's TikTok growth from Google, which is massively growing. So real fast, I'll just show you the inside of what the course is. You can get the link below at any time. Go down there. It will take you to this, and you can purchase it. It's $1. Like, it's insane that it's only $1. But I'll run through it. So give you an idea of what the course looks like. So in this 15-second video topics. So they break down here, obviously, the back end, about, 17-minute video. Then we'll go through the other one real fast here. Part 2, the perfect TikTok profile. So if you're like me, just starting on TikTok, this is awesome. Like, this is exactly what I was looking for. Because again, like all these other guru courses don't really teach crap, or they're not like, they're just saying stuff where it's like they haven't even done it themselves really. So when I was digging for people about like, hey, who can I really listen to and trust to kill TikTok with, like kill it on TikTok, I found these guys, which I've been following for a while and kind of seen their growth. And they literally just released this like 2 days ago, maybe even yesterday, something crazy like that. But all this is, again, it's like what you're seeing here, it's $1. So like, and these guys are making, like I think the last guy, Jonathan or somebody was like, did like $10,000 in 45 days or something. And they're showing you exactly how they did it and how to set everything up. So yeah, all that. So it's like, I was like, holy crap. Like I was ready to pay a lot more for this. But when it was $1, I was like, what in the world? So this is it though. Like, it's super simple, very straight to the point, no fluff, which is freaking what I love. There's like an hour-long one. So yeah, give me a thumbs up if this helped you out as far as like seeing the inside of the course. Comment below your TikTok handle. Let me know what it is. That way we can follow each other. And then yeah, if you want to get access to this course and go through it and start killing it on TikTok, just roll through this and you'll love it. Like, I'm gonna definitely put all this into action and start really blowing it up, bringing in that affiliate commissions, things like that, and just overall promoting it. So hopefully that helped you guys. Again, if you want access to this course for $1, go to your link below while it's still $1, and give it a thumbs up, and hope to hear from you guys soon. Like I said, comment your TikTok below so that we can follow each other and